To the youngsters, I know you're having fun. I used to have fun myself, but there's something you need to know. Stuff like that, that's a load of crap. That's a load of crap. God damn it, all I'm trying to do is get you into a Toyota. You know how hard that is to get off? Costs more than the damn car. I'm losing money on half these things, because you and your punk ass kids come down and fuck with our shit. Stop fucking with our Toyotas. Come down and buy them like a man. I'll go fucking nuts. We are closed on 9/11. Come down to ISIS Toyota or I'll fucking kill myself and everybody here.